Welcome to Lesson 2 in our course on how to build a membership site with WordPress. And of course, Lesson 2 is setting up our plugins. Let's grab our plugins list. And let's get rid of the ones that don't need setting up or that we already set up. And there we are. There's not a whole lot of setup to do. Most of these plugins already come set up. One of these plugins that I actually forgot to install, Comment Love, but we'll do that when we go back. We also need to set up our general settings in WordPress. So let's log back into our WordPress dashboard and get on with Lesson 2. This is not what our dashboard is supposed to look like when we log in. We need to fix it up so that it looks like this. And this is a site that we should get very used to seeing if we want to have a WordPress website. So let's fix this. Click on Dismiss. And this is Jeff Johnson actually advertising to us every time we log in. If that doesn't bother you, you can just leave it, but if it does, down here, Traffic Getting, go to Advanced, toggle your dashboard widget off, submit, and back to our dashboard. And there we are. This is how our WordPress dashboard should look like right here. So what we need to do right now is go to Settings, General. Alright, the only thing I do right here is fix up the time zone. You scroll up here until you find the city that's closest to you. And mine is Toronto. And as for the date format, choose this one. Time format, choose this one. Week starts on Monday. And save changes. Alright, our writing settings, we just leave it. So we need to go into Reading. And let's go over to the website. Right now this is the home page, and this is set up as a blog. What I want to do is set this up like it's a website. And what that means is when someone comes to my website here, they're going to see the same thing every time. What I'm going to do first is take this sample page, back here and go to All Pages. I'm going to change the sample page, edit, to About. And I'm going to edit this right here to About. Now let's highlight all of this, delete, and for now I'm just going to put this. This is my feature About page, and update it. And let's come back here and check this out. Sample page. It's About. This is somewhat embarrassing, isn't it? Okay. Now what I'm going to do is go back to my reading settings. And I'm going to check front page displays a static page. And I want my front page or my home page to be About. Now let's save changes. And bulletproof security, by the way, this plugin likes to be the big dog. So every time we make changes within our website, we need to update it. And again, this is something that we really should do. Anyway, let's go back to our website here. Click here and go to our home page. There we are. So now johnjarvistraining.com/membership goes to the page that we just fixed up, our About page. Now we need a place for our blog post to go when we make a blog post. So we need to go back and make another page. Add new. And some people call this blog. I'm just going to call it posts. And type in here. This is where my posts will go. Publish it. Now let's go back to our settings and reading again. And front page is the about page, and the post page is going to be posts. Let's change this to 5. And right here you can have this so that for each article in a feed, show full text or summary. Most people just choose summary and save our changes. Now if we come back here and refresh, we've got home, contact me, my privacy policy, and posts. Now we can order these, arrange these in any order that we want to. So I'll quickly show you how to do that. If we come back here and go to all pages, and whichever one of these you want as number 1, you click on it and edit it. And if you scroll down here, order, have this as 1, update, and if you want your post to be number 2, you go to all pages, go to posts, edit, order, number 2, update, and let's say we want it privacy policy to be 3rd, all pages, privacy policy, edit, order number 3. And what I'm doing here, it all depends on which WordPress theme we use. So this isn't going to apply to all blogs, but it will apply to most of them. And all pages. Let's go to contact me. And let's go order number 4, update. Now let's come back here and go to our home page, and these should all change. And there we are. Okay, while we're on the same subject, I'm going to show you how to add a page underneath a page tab under a page tab. So let's go back and add new page. Let's call this one training. And let's publish it. Alright, now let's add another one. Come back here and refresh, and I'll show you what happened. We've got a training page here now. Let's go WordPress, and this would be WordPress training. And if we scroll down here, if we leave this as no parent and we publish it, it's going to end up in here someplace. But if we come here and we choose a parent page and we publish this page and come back here and refresh, when we mouse over training, you've got WordPress. Now if I come back over here and add a new page, video training, and right here the parent, we're again training, and published it. Back here and refresh. Now you've got training, video training, WordPress training. Now I'm going to delete these pages because I'm not going to have this blog organized this way, but I did want to show you how to do that page under page. So what we need to do now is go back and let's go into our settings, and this time discussion we leave the way it is, media we leave the way it is. Let's go to permalinks. When WordPress is first installed, it's usually set to default. What we need to make sure is we click on custom structure, and right here we type this in, /%year %/ post name, all one word, %. paste that right in here like this, and you save changes. Now this we leave alone, this one, and this one, and this one, and this one we leave alone. We do need to go to our XML sitemap just to make sure that WordPress built the sitemap for us. And this one, yes, it was built. So let's go back into plugins, install plugins. I want to make sure that the video sitemap got built, so I scroll down, Google XML sitemaps for videos. I want to make sure that this one actually is functioning, so to do this we've got to go to our tools and go to video sitemap. And sitemaps are a way to tell Google and other search engines about web pages, yada yada. We have the option of including the video length or not. I don't worry about it. So from here we just generate video sitemap. And this is what you're going to get until you do have a video on your website. After you do upload a video in the future, come back and just redo what I just did here. Now let's go back to our dashboard. Let's go to plugins, add new. Let's install the one I actually forgot here, comment love, search, install now, and activate this plugin. And there are settings in it that you could do, but I actually don't worry about this one. It's preset, good enough for what I use it for. So the only thing that we have left to do right now is a traffic getting plugin. What you want to do to fix this up is scroll down, traffic getting, go to your blog details. Now your blog title, your extended blog title, your blog slogan, your description, and your keywords should all fall in line with each other and with what it is that you do on the internet. If you look up here, this says about because that's what we called our home page. And you're also going to see WordPress website training. Whatever you want that to say, it goes right here. For an extended blog title, I'm going to put this: how to build a WordPress website from scratch. That falls in line with what I'm doing here. And my blog slogan is how to build a membership site. Now my description. This is what I'm having for my description. This website is going to teach people how to create a membership site on WordPress and build a website business. For beginners, there will be videos on how to create a WordPress website from scratch. Don't make it any longer than this. Make sure that you have a couple of your keywords in here. And I'm going to copy this, paste it in here. And for my keywords, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, plus my name. Don't have any more than 8, including your name. 5 or 6 is lots. Put your keywords in here and save your details. If you notice up here, this changed. How to create a WordPress website from scratch. What this did was overwrite the settings that WordPress came with, and that's what this plugin does. Alright, let's go back to our dashboard. And let's take a look at our website. And this lesson is over. This website is ready to be blogged on. And what I'm going to do next is actually turn it into a membership site. And I'm going to upload videos. And these videos are going to be protected. And they're going to have members only access. And membership will be free. And I'm going to be showing people how to make different membership levels. There will be free membership levels and paid membership levels. And there's going to be a lot of good stuff for free in the back office here. Anyone that is a paid member of this website will get tons and tons of training. So I'll see you in lesson 3, which by the way is going to be free.